Noted Bangladeshi journalist Shahriar Kabir has hailed the verdict by a Bangladeshi court in which it pronounced death sentence to Islamic cleric Abul Kalam Azad for his involvement in war crimes during the country's liberation struggle. Bangladesh's War Crimes Tribunal sentenced the popular Islamic cleric to death on January 21st, the first verdict by the controversial body. While talking to reporters in Dhaka, Kabir expressed his happiness over the verdict as he believed that justice was delivered.
I'm happy, and it is not because that I'm a member of a family of the victims of the war, or I'm campaigning for the trial of the war criminals for the last 21 years. But what we see that entire nation was waiting for this justice, for this trial for the last 41 years. The genocide, what we have witnessed in 1971, that is considered as the most horrendous genocide since Second World War. And subsequent government after the liberation war was over, Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujib's government took initiative to try the war criminals, but that was done under the present law, which is very much conventional law that didn't define genocide, crimes against humanity or war crimes.
Kabir also added that Bangladesh has set an example in war crimes trial and this would inspire other nations to ensure that justice is delivered.
Bangladesh has created a history. We have tried war crimes, crimes against humanity, genocide under a domestic court in our domestic legal system, and that will definitely encourage other countries who are still crying for justice. Now they can enact their own law. They can define these international crimes as the domestic crimes as well, and they can go ahead. So this is the law, this verdict, what I believe. It will also help the tribunal for further, there are many cases still pending in the tribunal, and it will also help in other verdict also.
Azad alias Bachchu Razakar, a former member of Bangladesh's biggest Islamist party Jamaat-e-Islami, was found guilty of torture, rape and genocide during the war for independence from Pakistan in 1971. Police believed he fled to Pakistan last April and he was tried in absentia. Correspondent Rafiq from Dhaka for ANI.